Hey, why pay thousands and thousands for college tuition when you can go to this university? All right, guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about a course program for those who are interested in making money with affiliate marketing. Now, I've talked about affiliate marketing in numerous upon numerous videos, and it still is to this day one of the best and most popular ways to make money online, to make passive money online, even make recurring income online. And there's a course that's been out for a while, and they're actually doing a reboot that launches today, depending on when you watch this video, but I'm putting it out today, April 30th, 2018. It still should be available depending on when you're watching this video. Not sure what the price would be at the time, but it still be out. You know what I mean? But anyway, it's called Clickbank University. All right. This course is all about making money, full-time income, learning affiliate marketing, being able to sell products on Clickbank, not only being able to sell products on Clickbank, but actually create your own products on Clickbank and get affiliates to sell your products, making you even more money. All right, so get straight to it. Once you become a member of Clickbank University, you're going to be given access to a back office area that has a lot of trainings. All right, they walk you through everything you need to know about Clickbank. If you're not familiar with Clickbank is the number one digital marketing website online for distribution of like digital courses and software. All right. This is the place where affiliates usually go when they're just getting into the game, because the commissions are really good, and they have a good reputation when it comes to like the products and paying out their commissions. Right, you get paid. They still send out checks, and I think they got direct deposit. I'm pretty sure they got direct deposit now. But anyway, so Clickbank University actually doing a new launch, so they're calling it Clickbank University 2.0. So they added more trainings, added more ability to create products and earn more money. So this, in my opinion, is definitely worth checking out if you about that affiliate marketing life, right? If you've been thinking about getting into affiliate marketing or you've been struggling with it, you definitely want to at least check this course out, see if it's for you. And that's the thing when I say about the intro of this video, I'm like, yo, why pay thousands and thousands of dollars for college tuition where you can go to this university, play on words, but it's actually real because right now, as I'm uploading this video or as today, Clickbank University is only $47 a month. Now I don't know if there's any discount codes you might can get, whatever, but right now it's only $47 a month. Probably cheaper than your phone bill, right? And it's giving you everything you need to start making real income online as an affiliate marketer, right? So if you actually took that energy that a lot of people use when it comes to like going to college or online universities and stuff like that, which cost a lot of money and put a lot of people in debt. If you think about just for $47 a month, right, you're going to have the ability to earn probably more money than you will after you get out of college or finish your 2 to 4 year college and try to get a job. You probably could be making more if you put that same energy into your affiliate marketing, right? I mean, it's that simple, right? So that's what I mean by when I say, why pay thousands for this when you can, pay way less and still have the earning potential? Because let's be real, when you go to college and you pay all that money, right? The end goal is to make money, right? I'm gonna get out of college or get this online degree or whatever, and I'm gonna make money. I want to make $50,000 a year, $100,000 a year. If you want, if you into it, you could take that same energy, right? The same energy that you use to do essays and study. If you take that energy and put it over onto the online and affiliate marketing, you know what I mean? Like, think about the potential, the earning potential that you can have with it. So it's up to you. And even if you're in college right now, you want to, jump on this, this might can pay for your college tuition if you want. It's up to you. But this definitely is a real deal course. It's all about making money with Clickbank. So, and guys, like I say, if you're gonna do it, go hard with it. All right. If you're not really gonna do it, then don't mess with it. Maybe you ain't in the affiliate marketing. It's all good, right? But if you really want to learn affiliate marketing, you might want to check this out. And one more thing, why this course stands out from a lot of other courses is because the creators of this course actually are affiliated with Clickbank, the company. Like, they have the inside scoop with Clickbank, right? Just link is in the description. All right. I highly suggest you check out the link, right? Watch the presentation and it tells you all about it. And I ain't gonna lie to you, either you're gonna watch it, you're gonna hop on and be like, hell yeah, I want to try this, or you're not. Let's just be real. But check it out for yourself, and you can let me know what you think. You can comment, ask any questions. I try to answer them to the best of my ability. So be sure to subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video, but I want to know, how successful do you want to be online? What if you can earn a full-time income teaching others stuff that you already know? Want to learn how to do it? Click the link in the description.